3, 2, 1, go. Hey guys, it's the Dragon here with a new episode of our Hearthstone expansion, or not, I read the expansion there, and witchwood is now released, and you probably now, oh, so we got 3 more witchwood, that's kind of nice. And we got, it's kind of cool. No, do we need to reload? Well, either way, we're just gonna open, have like 70 plus those 77 cards then that we can open and have fun with, hopefully. And oh, what is this? Heart of Raven. Oh, that's kind of cool. Like that. Yeah, after raid, the cards you can now use and change. Ah, yeah, the rotation. Ah, no. Only base cards. Well, yeah, I know about this. Yeah, that Cold Ice is going into Hall of Fame I don't like, okay? Ice Blocks, understandable. Molten Giant, understandable. 200, thank you. Special Quest, yeah, that's that one. Seriously, that's the that's kind of hurts that those are the only cards that we have, but nah, who cares? Let's open these beautiful cards. Just gonna do something real quick. I wanna like no. Okay, I want to do this. I just want like a personal, what's called a personal little tracker of like we have 77 cards, and let's read rare, not rare. We always get rare. Let's take purple and. You know what, let's don't do that. That's gonna be way too boring to do. Let's just open those. Like then I need to open and then go back. Actually, we can buy one more pack with the money we have here, so buy. Then we have 78 cards to open. I said then we have 78! Okay. There we go. And I'm probably gonna upload this. Oh, we didn't actually get anything cool. This is this is decent, I would say. But what I was supposed to say. Oh, a rare. Or epic. What was it supposed to say? That's not that good. Oh yeah, the Terraria Let's Play. I'm probably not gonna. This is the 3rd pack and we already gotten a legendary. That's really good. I like this for. Okay, in the Witchwood, I think there's many good legendaries, so hope at least get a good one. The disappointment. I hate Shaman, but maybe Shaman would be good. But I give up the wild. Maybe it work, but I doubt it. Gone rare. Life drinker. Huh. Like we're gonna get a much value, but gone common and cost 5 more. This is a good one. Yeah, about the Terraria Let's Play that we're talking about. Probably not gonna like. I think this is maybe 2 weeks. I haven't. Wait, what? There we go. Probably didn't sorry for not uploading last week, and don't think we're gonna upload this week, but I kind of feel that I rushed a little bit with the Terraria Let's Play, so that's shit here. But I think everything will work out. So another legendary. Oh, that's. Oh, come on. I actually wanted this because this has one of the coolest animation of the witchwood. If you ask me, I like that card. It's really cool. Oh, we have two of those. That's the rogue. I don't like that. Like I followed through the the leaks and the card reveal, so kind of know like every card that's been announced. Maybe we see some new cards. I don't know. That's the hidden warrior paladin card, which is interesting. But I kind of want to have a legendary. The Baku, I think it is. And if like I have Hagatha, so maybe get the. If we can get at least 2 more legendaries, that would be cool. Yeah, so this is also one of the cards I think will go nicely in that deck. I wonder what's the new meta is gonna be. Hopefully not Warlock and Cube Warlock, because I hated that. Hated that card, to be honest. Priest restore 6 health to all that's interesting. Kind of like this, and lose 1 health. Yeah, this is also. I would say that's a good card for like tempo against tempo, which that's another legendary. That's how many? I'm already lost count. Huh. Oh, this made this card I like. Lady in White, a decent legendary, not the worst one I would say, but I mean we could get better. Like that was not one of the cards that I superly wished to get, but I mean it's good. It's good. Rush has 3 attack while. So basically in range then. Yeah, it was like a. What isn't Taunt Warrior gonna be a thing with all the new cards? Odd. Oh, didn't mean to do that. This card is decent actually. That card isn't that bad, to be honest. Golem, we have another one though, so we don't need to craft. Black Cat is, I would say, one of the better cards, or like in Odd Mage. And then we need like. Like with Odd Mage, we need some. We need like Baku. And if I don't get Baku, I'm probably just gonna craft him with disenchanting all the dupes that we get. Gold rare. Oh, Coffin Crasher. Isn't this like summon a death rattle minion from your hand? Yeah, I think that is actually gonna be good. So I mean, if you're holding like, oh, it's death rattle. I'm like thinking about what's his name, Lich King. So that won't work. This is a decent dragon. I saw it when it got released, so it's kind of cool. Just going through the packs. Rare. Oh, this is a good spell for Hunter, but I don't play Hunter, so... Oh, we didn't get... That's weird. Kind of been on a bad roll now. So... Give us a legendary. Boop. Or give us 2 legendaries. No. It don't work like that, I guess. No. Epic. Oh, it's that card. I mean, meh. What if we move it like really slowly? To like keep all the dust inside? No. We got another one of those dragons, so that's cool. Well, we just shake it as much as possible. And then pop it. None of those works, god. Ghost Light Angler, decent. This is basically 1 mana deal 2 damage, so... Huh. I would say decent. Come on, we haven't gotten anything good. Alright, we have like... like, we have gotten many good things, but... Oh, this is fun. This is a good one. So I guess Mill Rogue is going out then. And milling your opponent. Epic deal. Don't think that's a good card. But I don't know. 46 cards left. No, have we used all our luck on the the first few cards cards opening? Okay, it's bugged. Okay, let's go out and let's go in again. And let's pop a new one. Maybe it wasn't bugged. Got another one of these, that's kinda good. Kinda rushing through these packs, but I don't want this video to be too long. Boom. Huh. Like this card was good. Come on. Nope. 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 You can spell someone around too. I don't think this is that good. This, no. No. I opened 30 packs. Soon. Oh, 2 epics. No, I want golden epic. This is a big minion. But it doesn't have taunt, so that's dust. Like, if you're playing Kingsbane, you don't need that, but maybe another decks. It might. There we have it. That's gonna be Baku, 100%. Baku. Yeah, that's just that dust. That's no. We're not playing that game. kinda mad about that. Turn both play draw a card. I don't think that's that good. Commentary. My commentary isn't the best, but I'm going through. Oh, this Dire Frenzy. Ow, I bit my tongue. This is a really good card because I don't know, like in the top of my head, you have that 1/1 boar with charge, right? Put this on him, and then it becomes a 4/4 with charge. So basically, you can, if you have 5 mana, you play this Dire Frenzy, then you have a 4/4 with charge, hit face, and then you can also draw new three of those boars with other boars. It is a good card. So maybe we make some hunter decks with Rexar, but I want Baku. Or you can also use this one and give that 3/3 buff. It looks like maybe aggro elemental mage may be a thing. Oh, that was epic. But it's warrior, so dust. It's Dustarino. Dustarino. Rare card, gain 1. Oh, I like this card. I actually like this card. Maybe it popped up before, but okay, imagine this card. And you can also have Black Cat in an odd mage. No, you can't have it in an odd mage. But think, okay, play this on turn 5. And then you play Alucard. I think this is the mage weapon. On turn 6. So on turn, it's the end of the turn. So on turn 7, no, is it hard? Okay, well, it becomes a 5/5. Then at the end you draw 3 more, so it becomes 5/5, 8/8, and then you draw 1 more. So on turn 7, if you have perfect synergy, you can have this as a 9/9. Like that. Really like that. Maybe I'm wrong and just bad at Hearthstone, but I think that's a good card. And Hand Druid looks like to be a thing, and I don't like that. Come on, legendary. I feel it. This is a legendary. Boom. No. Okay, this I like. This is a decent card, if you ask me. We're getting many dupes, so hopefully at the end we will have at least epic. At least enough to make Baku, because that's the only legendary I think I want from this. Secret of the opponent plays 3 cards in turn 7, a 6/6 rat. That might be good. Might. Rare. Like, I think most of all the warrior cards are gonna disenchant, because I have literally no warrior cards, and I don't like warrior, so there's no wars there. We got another Dire. Deal 2 damage to friendly in Discovery. Huh. Dark Possession. That's a cool gold animation though. I like that, but I don't think that's worth it. Like in the early games. It might win you some games, like with... You discover like the charge one. Come on! If you have other... that's a bad card. I remember seeing that one. That's not... Oh, when I replay an Echo card. I just saw that. I skipped it with an accident. Shaman give a minion to use a random elemental to your hand. Earth and Might. Hey, that's Agatha. Look at that. Huh. He opened Lady. A friend of mine opened Lady in the White. That's kind of cool. But I also have Lady in White, so. Oh, an epic. Epic! Hidden Wisdom. Ah, come on. Look like or like, what's it called? Secret Paladin is gonna be a thing, so because you have many one-cost cards and then you play another, so you get those one-cost cards becomes a random legendary, so I wouldn't say that's good the card or combo, but it looks fun. We have 20 cards left, so we have opened 50 cards, and I would say we have gotten a good collection of cards. Two rares. Rare. We get 2 of these. This card is really good. I think many cards, or depending on the meta, this card will be amazing. Or maybe, like, Ice Block isn't a thing, so this might actually not be that good as I think it is, but I think it will see play either way. There's only... Okay, there are 2 more legendaries that I want. So hopefully we get enough to at least make them, or we get one of them. Because you have the new Yag Battle Cry Shaman card, and you have the... what's his name? The odd cost card thingy-madingy. It would be cool to have that card. Oh, epic. Rare. Epic. Witch Cauldron. No, I don't think this is a good card, cause Shaman doesn't have that many good cards. Life drink. Okay, come on. This deck has only even cost card deal 2 damage. Even that wouldn't work with that then. I don't think even cost card even decks is not gonna see that much play. Ah, come on. Give us at least 2 more legendaries. Ah! You ask and you shall receive. Rare. Come on. Lord Godfrey. That's not the card I want. Might see the... No, I don't think that card is gonna be C-play, because it's basically a +1 the file, but you don't... It's a way to... You get it way too late in the game. But I mean, as in control that shit. In a control warlock deck, I mean, it could C-play, it could C. Okay. We're running low on cards, we only have 7 left. So, let's hope we get some... Oh, let's at least hope we get some good cards as our last. We have 2 golden rares. That's actually kinda good. And silver sword. This might C-play. It's a really, like, for 8, but give your minion. So you can possibly buff them 3 times. And it has 3 damage, so might actually be a really good card for Paladin. Golden Command, Rebuke. We got another one of those. We have 5 more. Okay. Let's at least hope we got 1 more legendary in these packs here. Rare. Come on. No. Three more. Come on. 1 more legendary. Ah. Epic. Oh. Meh. It's not the best and not the worst. But it's not looking bright for us. Come on. 1 more legendary. That's an epic. Another one. I mean, not that bad. But come on. Shake it up real good. The last pack of our Witchwood card opening. Boom! No, come on, shake it more. There we go. What do we get? What do we get? What do we get? Nothing, nothing, nothing. Rare. Ah. Alright. Not the worst, not the best. Like, we got a decent amount of cards. So if we hit this 1000. Oh, that's a lot of dust. I'm really glad. Okay, so let's actually see what we got here. We had this. If each play turn, the first card played costs 0. Is that card? No. I don't think that's gonna see play at all. Like, because we're always running low on running low, so disenchant every gold that we get. Really glad that we got this. Did 5 damage and splitting all enemies. All enemies, okay. For a second I was like thinking, okay, so this is basically arcane missiles, but better. But it's not. It's kinda worse and better at the same time, so I guess it evens out. I got a golden one of those. Yeah, because I'm thinking like Courier Collector and Aluneth. And I got 2 of those. Sound the bells, echo. Give me a 1-2. Okay, actually, when we look at our deck here, like this is a Galvalan and Dino. Like basically, we have, where is it? The Quest and Linessa. So Sound the Bells is a really powerful spell. So we might actually just remove Blessing of the Might and remove one and change it to one of these. But I don't know. Okay, let's continue to look here. Backlight, Death Rattle position from deck. Not that good. This I think would see is decent, and also this is decent. So look at Priest, restore health to friendly characters. Restore to health. Echo. I mean it's decent. I think it will see play. Quartz Elemental. This is not gonna see play for sure. Lady in White. In some decks it might, because pop this and have this and you have a 7/9/9, so really good, I would say. But like if you have a Coffin Crash, a Lady in White, and then you like have a 5/5 or 6, so it might backfire and might actually be really good. Sheep Shot, a good card in my opinion. Pickpocket, remove the golden one. Like, I think maybe, just maybe, what's his name? I gonna go like a kind of miracle steel rogue may become like a thing. So kind of excited about that because I really like what's it called? I really like rogue. Echo. I mean, this is actually me. Whenever you play a card from another class, gain 1 durability. For a 2/2 and a lifesteal. I mean, why would you run this for 4 mana for a 2/2 and if you play something from another class, you gain 1 durability but not damage? So, why? Why not just run Kingsbane with, I mean, it's 1 card then. I can understand that then. Rush, Death Rattle, draw a combo card from your deck, a 6/5/3, meh. Okay, so here is actually a deck that might actually work. Can just get rid of that. Look, we have no cards saying that we got Haggafire. It's kind of like, I wouldn't say mad, but I'm not glad I got Haggafire because I will never. I'm probably just gonna disenchant everything that give the enemy next turn. Curse of Weakness. I mean that in a control deck. This is actually really good. Rush, destroy. Lord Godfrey. It's a powered up. Like, okay, we're never gonna play Warrior. In my opinion, Warrior, worst class. Sorry. I don't care if Warrior becomes a meta. then pour me 3,400. Can craft 2 legendaries. Swamp Leech might be good in like a Rexar kind of thing. Definitely give your minions one attack. Meh, don't think that's gonna be good. And this is not that good either. Blackwall Pixie, I think is actually a really good card. Like, because in an odd... Imagine in like in an odd hunter build maybe. I would say, I think that's gonna be C play. Life Drink Gear, also think that's a decent card. And this, not that great. And Dollmaster Dorian. I'm really excited about to see some decks with him, because I'm thinking like Big Priest with like Ysera. Maybe not Big Priest might actually not be that good either. Maybe in a rogue deck. Yeah, in a rogue deck I think it would see play. Mossy Horror, basically a horror like the priest spells. Oh, a decent card. I don't think that's gonna see play. Worgen Abomination. And this, yeah, it's not gonna see play. Pretty sure. Okay, so let's actually look at the Shaman deck. And I only have 10 cards. Choose a friendly. Yeah, because Akir. No, I wouldn't run Akir in this. Volcano, Elise. Solo the Gorgon. I opened that and I disenchanted it. I kind of regret that. Yeah, because then you have like this. Repeat all the backgrounds from cards to play this game. Like in this deck, we need 3, 4, 5 legendaries. Whew. Yeah, no. Okay, so if you look at Mage, Book of Spectres, what's this? Archmage. Oh yeah, this is the elemental. I'm just thinking. So they don't have odd. And if you look at Moonlight Video, Sarah, Dark, yeah, because I kind of want like a deck around this guy. And Psychic Scream, Lyra. Glimmerroot, Camellias. And here we're looking at 4 legendaries. Oh, that's a lot of legendaries. I just want to look at new like card decks. Minions in hand have Echo, Gul'dan, no, Druid, Victory at hand. This actually looks really cheap. Like, this is a really cheap deck, actually. Like, there's only, like... Yeah, 4, like, rares or, like, purples. So that's kind of cool. Dragon. King Crush. Rexar. More like a control. Greymane. Lich King. Tyrant. Sunkeeper. There are many new cards. Like, okay, Rogue. Ghostly Echoes. Hallucination. Add around legend meaning to your hand. Face Collector. That's a really cool. Hallucination. That's a good card. Don't know why I don't have that. We looked at Warrior and we're not gonna look at... Like... Can't just... we need to like delete these and... Well, this is basically... some cards. I got a message. Well, I think we got a lot of good cards, and I'm just gonna write to my friend. You know what? I'm gonna clip it here. We're gonna open a few more. We're not done. Let's buy 15. So I'm gonna clip it here. Okay, there we go. Let's open. So we open like I don't know how many we open, but getting. Let's just rush through this, and then we're gonna call it an episode. Two epics. This is good gun. Kind of hope that we just get one more legendary. That would be amazing. Like even shaman, don't think it's gonna be thing. Got another one of those. Good. Blood Witch. Might. Come on, we bought 15 cards. At least give me one legendary. Are we really not gonna get... Okay, let's take it slow then. These 5 last one. We opened 10, we haven't gotten like one legendary. Epic. That's slow as possible. Oh. Come on. Okay, I don't think it's gonna work. Let's just go fast. No, 15 cards and no legendary. Feels bad. $15 cards and no legendary. Well, either way, I think we're gonna call it an episode there, and thank you guys so much for watching our Hearthstone card opening. So see you guys maybe next. Yeah, we see you guys next time. Probably gonna open more cards in the later future. So bye bye.